Now let's proceed for the twinning animation. So we're done with the frame by frame animation. So we'll start on the twinning animation and then exporting of your animation. So let's open our animation program. I will remove the frame here. Remove frames. So first press F6 again. Then this one I will add animation here on 1 second. Zoom out until 2 seconds. Then F6 for the background and then here also. So if I go back to my first key, my animation is here. Proceed here and then the loop 1 second, it's here. I will move it here. Then for the 2 seconds, click the key here. I will put it here. So if I click the onion skin, my animation is here. 1, 2, and 3. So just right click this one and then create classic twin. This one. Then click OK. Like that. So it will automatically add your frame here. And also this one, click any of the layer here, then right click, create classic twin, and then click OK. So let's play. Click the loop, this one, and then play. So it automatically play like that. So that's the use of motion twinning. Okay. So again, I'll repeat this one but with the different object. So I will clear this frame, clear keyframe to remove the object. So I will create the ball or a ball, no outline, this one, and then let's try this bouncy ball. So let's start our animation here. Press F6 here and then F6. After that, just click your ball until here. For the 2 seconds, right click and then create classic twin, click OK. And then let's play this one. So if you want the full preview of this one, Control plus Enter. So you'll have this kind of scene. Okay, we'll show you like this. So this is the full preview of your animation. So what's the shortcut key? That's Control plus Enter. CT, that one. Okay, that's Control Enter in your keyboard. Right, so that's for the twinning animation. Now, how about exporting? So you want to view your animation and video. So click the file and then export and then move video. The video and then it's up to you what size you want to put on your video like this. So we have the width and height and then just click export and then just wait. Your Adobe Media Encoder will automatically pop up. So that software is here. This one, the Media Encoder. And I think it's already integrated in your Adobe Animate CC. So I'm using 2019 Media Encoder. So let's wait for that. Okay, so we have our file here. And it's ready, this one. So if we have the untitled 2 and then just click this one, start queue. Yeah, and it will give you an output like this. So we have the animation for here, so it's done. That's for the text. And then let's open the file directory, which is the document sample video sample output for animation. So it's here, and then we have the title one, which is the colored one. So you have your animation preview here, like that. Okay, that's for exporting.